Hello people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Padmadashi, a software engineer at HSBC. So, what have I got here today? So being a software engineer, I have to code a lot, right? So, switching between tabs of different softwares and attending meeting at the same time, it's very unproductive and very uncomfortable to switch in between tabs while working because I've got only a laptop which is 15-inch, which is a Lenovo T480 provided by HSBC, yeah? So I thought, why not order myself a monitor? So that I can work more productively, right? So that would, give lesser strain to my eyes, because when I'm working on laptop, I have to, zoom into the screen and then I have to do like this, and I don't like it because it's affecting my eyes, yeah? So that's why I ordered this monitor, which is a Dell P2419H model, and today in this video I'm going to unbox this monitor. So shall we unbox it? Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. So I ordered this laptop a few days back and it's finally here today. I'm very excited to unbox it. So let's see. While I cut the tapes and all that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so let me cut it. Wait, did you like or subscribe to my channel? Do it, man. What are you waiting for while I'm cutting this shit, yeah?
One eternity later.
This is a nice packaging they have done. It's really tough to open it. Let's see. This video is also gonna help, if the product comes defective, so that I have a proof that it is defective when I got it. So yeah, let's see what is all this. These are all protective layers that they have provided. Let's throw it aside. And we have this monitor, yeah? Oh, it's pretty heavy, yeah? Okay, I'll put this thing aside and we'll start with this, yeah? Okay, shall we open it then? Okay, let's see. Let me cut this tape. I think that is done. Okay. I'm doing an unboxing video for the first time, so please don't mind me, guys. So we have some instruction manual, which we are anyway not reading it, and some other manuals, and this is the power cord, yeah, Indian style power cord. So let's keep it here. And this is a HDMI cable which we are going to use to connect our laptop to the monitor, yeah. And this is a USB cables, so as to connect our laptop or connect some other accessories, some sort of that thing. And what is this? I think this is the mount of the stand, or I don't know what exactly is the word for this, but let's see. Okay, this is beautiful, looks very nice. Aluminium and plastic. We have got a nut here to tighten the stand. Okay, let's keep this here. And this is the main stand for the monitor on which it will stand, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is nice, looks very beautiful. This is for the cable management, and it's plastic and aluminium, looks very sturdy. Let's see what else we have got here. Okay, so now the main stuff is in here, the monitor itself, yeah. Let me just unwrap this and let's see. Okay, it looks fine to me, no damage at all. And here is the panel, you can see. Oh, it's going to be too much fun now, to code. So let's try to assemble all this. Yeah, I'll just get rid of all these boxes and all. Alright guys, now let me tell you about the back side of the monitor. We have got a HDMI port here and a display port which is faster than the HDMI, and we have got a VGA port and one SS port which is used to power the USB ports on the monitor. We have got two USB ports in here, and we have got the power cord here, and we have got two more USB cords on the side. And we have some buttons over here to toggle the menu and power on and off our monitor, and this is where our stand goes. Yeah, so that's all about the back and the side of the monitor. And this is the anti-glare screen 24-inch IPS panel, which is really beautiful, and the monitor is really light. I like this. Okay, shall we now assemble this thing? So this have two holes in it that goes in here. All that we have to do is we just have to screw it. Yeah, so it's a handheld screw, and it's pretty easy to assemble this thing. Yeah, I think that's done. Yeah, so now we have to mount the panel onto the stand. So this should be easy, as I have also seen some tutorial to how to install this thing. And you don't have to screw anything or anything of that sort. We just have to, there are 4 locks that we can use. We just put it in here and just push it, tuck. That's the voice that I wanted to hear. Okay, that's fully assembled now, and yeah, that's great. Alright guys, the installation is fully done now. Now I will let you know why I ordered this monitor specifically. So I got this Dell monitor at the cost of 12,500 or something. So in the range of 12,000 plus, I was getting many sorts of monitors. So why this monitor specifically? Yeah, so I'll tell you why. So this particular monitor have got lots and lots of degree of freedom that we can play with. Yeah, the other monitors didn't have that. That's why I went for this one. So let me show you all the different movements that we can do with this monitor. So being a developer, I would like to see all my code in one single screen, right? So I can make the whole monitor vertical. See, this is how smooth it is. Yeah, now I can see more code in one screen rather than keep on scrolling down and down and down. Yeah, I can see my whole code in one screen. Yeah, and I'll show you the other movements that we can do with this monitor. Yeah, so we can also adjust the height of this monitor. So if I'll show you, see, it goes down, and if you want to increase the height, just push it up. Okay, so this is one more motion that you can do with this monitor. And another motion is we can tilt the monitor downwards, and if you want to tilt it upward, you can tilt it upwards. So this is the tilting mechanism that it has. Okay, and that's not it. One more motion is there in this monitor. We can have a swivel motion in this monitor. So what is a swivel motion? I will show you. So you can just rotate the monitor as per your convenience. Yeah, so it's not a static monitor that is always lying on your table and you cannot move it in any direction. So that's why I got this monitor. Lots and lots of mechanisms to make movement to the monitor. Yeah, that's why I bought this. Other than that, this is a full HD screen, a 24-inch IPS panel. This is a very good monitor. I would suggest all the developers to go for this one, because none of the monitor provides such a flexibility to move your screen in different directions. Yeah, so today is Saturday, and of course tomorrow is Sunday, and the day after is Monday when I'll be working. So मंडे को बहुत मजा आने वाला है, बिलीव मी गाइस। मंडे को जब इस मॉनिटर पे काम करूंगा ना और इस मॉनिटर पे बैठ के जब कोड लिखूंगा ना तो बाय गॉड मजा आ जाएगा। आई होप यू कैन फील माई एक्साइटमेंट टू वर्क ऑन दिस मॉनिटर। सो बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है मंडे को, देखते हैं कितना मजा आता है। So I'm also working on my desk setup, since few days now. I believe that it will be completed in a month or so. I'm not doing anything fancy or something like that. Just, I'm just setting up my desk neatly and cleanly and productively so that I can work more productively, yeah? And if you want me to do a video on my desk setup when it's done, do let me know in the comment section and I will post a video on that soon if I get a considerable response, yeah? And I'm really excited to work on this monitor, yeah? Tell me if you guys also feel excited about, new things, if you have a new monitor or a new laptop or anything that is new and you eagerly, want to use that. If you also feel that, do let me know in the comment section, okay? So I believe you guys have liked this video. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Okay then, take care. Bye bye. Cheers.